A quiz about the use of AI in web marketing. Welcome to this multiple-choice quiz about the role of artificial intelligence in web marketing. Question 1. What is artificial intelligence?
A form of robotics, a type of computer virus, a branch of computer science.
A branch of computer science. Question 2. How can AI be used in web marketing?
To replace human marketers, to enhance customer experience, to increase web page loading times. To enhance customer experience. Question 3. What are some examples of AI tools used in web marketing? Chatbots, personalization engines, both A and B. Both A and B. Question 4. How can AI help with SEO?
It can analyze data and optimize content. It can create backlinks automatically. It has no effect on SEO. It can analyze data and optimize content.
Question 5. What is the advantage of using AI in web marketing? It saves money, it improves efficiency, it reduces workload for marketers.
It improves efficiency.